So here's how you can archive in Outlook on the iPad. Let me show you how it works. And if this is your first time in here on this channel, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so essentially what you have to do is to open up the Mail app for Outlook. You just get inside as such. And you can notice that you are likely presented with a list of your emails. And in order to archive them, it's actually pretty simple because you have like more ways to do this. But of course, you can just grab the individual things like the items on the list. And in order to like archive them, you can swipe left on the thing. You can see it gets, or it shows like the little icon with a green background sort of. And this makes the email go to the archive, right? So that is how you can basically do this. Or you can even select multiple of the emails and perhaps even select all of them and click on the button below, and it's going to kind of like move them into the archive folder. So that's how you can do this. Of course, you can see that there is in here that the archive folder, which you can actually check out a little bit later. So that is how you can basically do this. But yeah, let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. It's just a very quick guide, but stay tuned so you do not miss anything, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos as well.